Y'all niggas so dense. Y'all forgot funny existed. Y'all niggas like molasses. Slow. Also sweet though. Be sweet too. Yeah. But it was funny.
The video of Willow Smith as she was crying, she is back again, and this time she is very bitter. So Willow Smith claps back at people with no sense of humor. We get to find out that Willow Smith goes after people who completely missed the joke or couldn't find the sense of humor in her recent post. So definitely we get to see that Willow is not letting anyone look back at her. So Willow has some words for you all, and it's not pleasant at all. Like, she is very bitter, very bitter. So love you guys, stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel.